Ready?
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Marty RT, man. Hey, we back with another video. This is an exciting video. Been waiting for this part to come in for about 3 months. But now we're about to do full exhaust form, CORSA performance. So we got the extreme cap back, baby. This baby gonna be loud like a... Alright guys, now we're gonna unbox this beauty and see what we're working in with, baby. Oh. Guys, if you're under 18, please don't try this at home, please. Thank you. Alright guys, let's pack it up, baby. Let's see what we got going on today. Ooh, look at these mufflers, baby. Look at these. Fast and slow, baby. Let's go, baby. Hey guys, made in China. Hey, you need CORSA? I'm the plug, baby. Hit my line, 608-555 hotline. You got the other muffler.
This boy about to be loud.
Guys, this is what you call a T-pipe. T-pipe. The comments gonna be blowing right now. Alright guys, we got this what we call a U-pipe slash Y-pipe, X-pipe. The original is X-pipe, baby.
Double X right
Double
there.
X, baby.
That's what I got.
Oh, baby. And then we got a little remote for a little controller to make it louder or quiet, baby. Hey. Made 6/3/2025, baby. The new shit.
6/3/2025. That just came off the production line.
Alright guys, we getting to the bottom of this. We don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna try to put this piece together. I think that's how it goes. Hey, listen, we don't got enough sunlight. We're not full install. We're gonna install it, but we're not gonna show everything. We're gonna show little parts and things you gotta take off, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're about to put the car in the ramps, and we're gonna show you how it sounds right now. I think the previous owner had a straight pipe, so we're gonna do the after and before. Alright guys, for these screws right here and the new exhaust is a 5/8 socket. So basically, put it here. You better eat some dinner before you do this, because there you go. We got that one. And after you take all these screws off, it's gonna be easy to take the whole thing off. This is where your X pipe is coming in. All over here, we're replacing this that the old owner did, and we put in the CORSA one. So we catch you in a bit. All right, guys, we down here. We loosen all these bolts up all the way over there. So right here, if you look at the tip, there's a bolt right here that's 1/2 inch. So I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. You might need an extension to get it all the way in there. You take this part off. You will have one here, one over there, and after you unloose all these clamps, the whole exhaust should come out. But don't forget to unclip the valves. The valves so you can put in a new exhaust. So let's take it down and then I'll be back. Alright guys, shit, I lost 5 pounds doing this shit. Hey, We took the whole system off. Whoever on the car, they welded the piece instead of putting them on hooks, so you can see the whole exhaust is a piece of shit. Now I'm gonna turn the car on and see how it sounds. With no exhaust, no nothing. It's straight pipe basically again. Let's see how it sounds.
You heard the pops?
The smoke smells good.
The smoke smells good.
Alright.
Alright, leave it like that.
Leave it like that.
Return this actually.
Let me get my 2100 out back. You still recording? Alright, I guess it's still recording, guys. Alright guys, now we gotta figure out how we're gonna take this out.
What you think? What you think so far?
Hey guys, the car sounds amazing. We couldn't put the mufflers on because of some bad clamps basically. So
Hangers, bad hangers.
Yeah, bad hangers. So we're gonna take it to Max Muffler tomorrow, hopefully in the morning, so we can figure this out, and then we give you a proper video of the whole system, and we will show you under the car as well. It's too dark, so we don't have enough light to show you. Sorry guys, we couldn't show you the whole process, but it was a headache. Okay. It was a headache, and it was too much of a hassle. Like when we did the Mustang, it was not this difficult as this one. It has a lot of broken stuff that we had to fix. So hopefully tomorrow we can get this installed, and you can hear the final result, and we're gonna do some drive-bys as well with the 360 camera and then the GoPro in the back, so I can see how it sounds. But hey, we tried it on and it sounds amazing. It's loud for sure.
It sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good though. Next one is the headers, so stay tuned for that. We are probably not doing the headers ourselves. We might take it to a shop, so stay tuned. Hey, 1,000 horsepower coming soon, baby. Stay tuned. Hey, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the thumbnail, not thumbnail, what's it called? The bell. Hit the goddamn bell, boys. And sorry guys, my English is not too good, man, but I'm learning slowly and slowly. Okay. What up guys, it's your boy Marty IT. We're back. Hey, same video, different clothes. Hey, last night it was a headache, but right now we got the Hellcat, we got the 1,000 horsepower Mustang right here. We're about to take it to the muffler shop so it can weld the piece together. We are only missing some boots for the clamps down in the exhaust, so we're gonna see if they can do that, and then maybe weld a new rod coming down from the car to hold it up, because the one that it had before, it's supposed to have a screw, but they welded it in there. So we're gonna see what they can do. But we catch when we get there, and I'm gonna give you a little cold start about. It has no mufflers right now. It's just straight pipe. Alright guys, so we're here and I don't know what the shop is this. Max Mumford denied because the car was so low that they couldn't put in the lift, but they put some woods, you know, they made fit. Hey guys, me ever, a few stitches. They did the half of the work yesterday. So clamp up there an X pipe over here to get to this extra pipe right here. They do come with these screws right here. So make sure you put these on so you can hold this up. Right here you got the valves. Right there we are missing a clip right there, so a bracket. So they're gonna start doing the mufflers right now. That was the problem we was having yesterday.
That's for
Alright guys, so this shot right here, I don't know if y'all can see it. I can show y'all right here, but anyways, Easy Mufflers and Brakes. Alright, that's their number. They located in Janesville, Wisconsin. We stopped here, got lucky, they got us in. They were dead, so that's them there. Huge shout out to them for installing the mufflers for a really good price and getting it done within like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, right? It didn't take long. Did it take long?
no.
No, see, it didn't take long. So yep, now the CORSA exhaust is on, and the reason why we don't got the welds on is because we're gonna get rid of them. We're gonna sell them. We're gonna get some B-locks. All right, we're gonna get some B-locks for the whole cat. But as you guys see, we got the CORSA on now. Boom. This thing sound good, man. This thing sound good. Now we just need some headers.
Hey, some headers, but the headers coming after we get 1,000 to the wheels. That is happening soon, so stay tuned for that. I want to gap those Corvettes so you see.
Yeah, we're gonna be gapping those.
We're gonna be gapping those for dinners. Those are breakfast, dinner. But stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot more videos coming up, but we're gonna give you some of the drone inside. I'm gonna tell you how it is, and then we're gonna do some videos of outside how it sounds with the 360 and everything. Stay tuned.